Hey guys, this is Orly. I'm going to do an unboxing and review of the Jordan 11 Concord Bred. That's what it's being labeled as. This pair came out June of this year, late June. And I'm going to do a quick review of the shoe. I'm also comparing it to, the Jordan 11 Bred, the Jordan 11 Concord, and also Jordan 11 Low UNC. So stick around so you guys can see the comparisons, so you guys can see the shoes. Without further ado, let's get to it. The Jordan 11, it retailed for $185 when it came out. It's got, very traditional box, nothing special about this box. Say, nothing special about it. Air Jordan logo, Nike Air symbol here. Here we go. Box it. And here it is. We're gonna do let me do the left pair so we can get a good comparison of all of them, okay? Comes with the plastic paper, both pairs of shoes. There you go. And here it is. Looks really nice and clean. I like it. Right away, Jordan 11 Low, patent leather, the famous, Jordan 11 leather. That's what it's made out of. This is it's not suede. It's more like, padding, but it's not suede. And actually, this is a good thing because when the shoe had suede here, some Jordan 11s that have suede here, that was it. Once this white stuff gets dirty, that's it. Shoe is done. You can't get it out of there. It's really, really difficult. I don't care how many products you try, it is real difficult to get clean. Anyhow, let's get to the review real quick. Jordan 2-3 symbol, it's sticker in there, no big deal. And the Jordan Jumpman logo, it's stitched into the back, as you can see. The red sole and grayish black checkered carbon fiber here. All the 11s have that carbon fiber checkered bottom here. As you can see, this one's gray and black. The big advantage of the red sole versus the icing on the soles is this one will, look good from here to the end of time, because one thing that plagues the Jordan 11s is the sole. With the so-called icing, it'll start yellowing out, and I'll show you a pair so you can compare it later. It looks bad with time and how much you use it. I don't care how much you get it clean or whatever. That's just one bad con of the Jordan 11 pairs, that the sole just gets really yellowed out and it just looks bad. Black, patent leather, Jumpman Jordan signal here, black. And I actually like it. Okay, I like this pair. I like it. Nothing special about it, really. The inserts, come with your cardboard. They don't come with the hard plastics like the other ones, like for the other Jordan brands. For example, something like, try getting out. Something like this. See, it's just plain cardboard. That's just how it is. And they were nice enough, I guess, to put the Jumpman Jordan on the cardboard, but that's how it is. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and put this back. Nothing special really with these shoes regarding the inside of it. Just the Jumpman Jordan logo in the inside here. All right, guys. So I'm gonna give you guys a treat real quick. So here's some stills with black laces. I really like the black laces. I put it up to a vote. Some people said they really like them. They really dig them. Whatever you want. So just take a look. Hey, okay guys, so I promised you guys just to kind of get a comparison of the Jordan 11 Bred versus the Low. And as you can see, it's pretty much no difference. So yeah, pretty much no difference other than, of course, this part is black and this part is white. No big deal. And that's about pretty much it. But this one, of course, this is legendary, in 1986, the playoffs that, Jordan went his run on. And this one is just new for this year. It has never been released. This is the first time this colorway gets released. And I do like it. It resembles more of the Bred. I don't know why they call it Concord Bred, as you can see. Like, maybe just because of the white part on top, but I really don't really see the comparison there. It looks more like the Bred, if you ask me. It looks really more like that, in my opinion. So I'm gonna put these two down, and this is what I mean by the sole. See, this is the Low UNC, and look at that. See the bottom? And this is clean, like, don't get me wrong, but the glue and the bottom of the sole is it just fades, guys, no matter how hard. As you can see, the leather has some, some creases in there. It's just no big deal, it's part of the shoe, and that's how it goes. And, it just shows you how much I use it, because I use all my shoes. I'm not going to let them sit there and, on their pretty boxes and whatnot, and just sit there to the test of time for resale value or resell them, whatever you want to call them. Now, I do use these things. It's not like I just keep them there just to show them off or whatever, you know. I really do use them. I use all my shoes, no matter what they are. But there you have it. I just wanted to give you a comparison real quick to the shoes, so you guys can get a good kind of example of how they look. So without further ado, let's go for, you know, style and, you know, how they look. For style, I'll go with an A-. Just because it does look good. It will look good on jeans, shorts, you name it, whatever you want to do. Basketball purposes, B-, guys. You know, lows, you get injured. You get injured with these. They're not really safe in my opinion. I see a lot of younger dudes out there playing basketball with these, with the lows, and you can get seriously hurt. So that's up to you guys, okay? Overall, the shoe, I would give it an A-. I would give the shoe an A-. It does look really good. It's more affordable than your traditional Jordan 11s, you know, whatever they are, Bred, whatever, because those retail $225 and this retails for $185, total of $200 with taxes. So you can already see there's like a $40 difference in there. So, and that's about it. Please feel, I would like you know, any feedback, comments, there, guys, would you like to leave? I would really appreciate it. Y'all have a good day.